Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to deactivate Messenger account. So all you have to do is to install your Messenger, or you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Messenger. So other application or in other device, you cannot easily deactivate Messenger. You need to deactivate also your Facebook. But this time, I'm going to show you first how to deactivate your Facebook Messenger. So what I'm going to do here is to simply tap the three lines, tap this gear icon here at the settings, scroll down and look for personal details, which can be found under account center. So you have to tap this personal details and then click this account ownership and control. Tap the activation or deletion, but just tap the first option here. Click continue, and to proceed, you have to type your password. Okay, click this is temporary. I'll be back because this is just for a short period of time. Okay, click continue. Now, they will give you some options if you want to reactivate your account 1 day, 2 days, or you can tap this don't reactivate automatically and then click continue. Always remember that you can reactivate your messenger anytime. So once you tap this continue, the next one is the final step. You have to deactivate your account. So make sure that you're sure of this. Now they will give you also an option here. Continue using Messenger, or you really need to push with deactivate my account. So you can tap this one, deactivate my account, then automatically your Messenger account will be deactivated. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.